Hey guys, it's me Maya, and today I'm going to be showing you guys or reviewing Mya Rae. And they smell really good. And they're egg toast, and it says, did you get the rare cheeky toast? I don't know what the rare one looks like, but these are all the colors you can get. Brown, pink, orange, purple, brown, yellow, or I don't know. So you don't see which one you get yet, but it has like those cute little things. We did not get these from Mya Rae. My mom actually bought these from Walmart online. So we're gonna start by opening this one. So first we're gonna be opening this one. So this is what the package looks like. Just collect them all. So we're gonna open it. Oh, and it says Mya Rae. So. Smells so good. Once you first open it, it's like wrapped. So we're going to open it. Whoa. It's white. I think this might be the rare one. This one's white and there's no white on here. And it says, I need you. Oh, that's cute. It says I need you. Like, get it like kneading bread dough, but I need you. That's really cute. It smells really, really, really good. It comes with a ball chain. It smells so good. So, yeah. That was the first one. And it has a golden monkey. It doesn't have like a regular brown monkey. It has a golden monkey. So that was really cute. Next, we have this one. Comes with the same ball chain. What? Another one? Another one of the same one? That's weird. It has the same exact one. Now let's see if this one is the same one. If it's the same one, it's the same one again. What? So it looks like we got all of the rare ones so far. What the heck? This is weird. Why am I getting all the same ones? This is not okay. Oh my gosh, it's the same one again. It's the same one again. This is lucky. We got all the rare ones. But it's the same one. That is really weird. That is really weird. Honestly, I wanted to see the other one. Again. It's not focusing, but it's the same one again. They all smell the same, and they all look the same. They all have the I need you thing on the back. This better not be the same again. This is not good. This is not good. The same one again! Oh my gosh. They are all the same. This is not okay. But it's all the same again. Like, why are they all the same? That's weird. Well, we did get the rare one to answer Punimaru's question. We did get the rare one, but we didn't get the pink, orange, purple, brown, or yellow, which I really wanted to see. But I mean, I don't know what happened. So we just have 6 of the same squishies in this pack. Wow. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below what your reaction would have been if you got this. Mine is. And we'll see you guys next time.